The possibility of being deported has been on the minds of many immigrants, specifically undocumented immigrants. This is due to President-elect Donald Trump's vow to do so.
Local News 8 reporter Febin Kasahun looked into this matter to see if this could be a real concern for people in Idaho. And what did you find out, Febin?
Well, Carol, we don't exactly know what will happen in the next few years, and even if Donald Trump will follow with his own words, but I did speak to a local attorney who explained who will be in danger and how some immigrants can protect themselves from being deported.
We've heard it for the last few months. Donald Trump wants to deport illegal immigrants when he takes office. Idaho Falls attorney Tim Jones, who mainly works in immigration law, says people under the DREAM Act, also known as DACA, should definitely be worried. He encourages them to get their green card or renew their work permit right now.
Many of these people are eligible for work permits, and they are eligible for some protection from being deported. However, with the results of this last election, there is some danger that their work permits could be withdrawn or at the very least not renewed.
Jones says right now it's very difficult to determine what will happen.
The best thing to do right now is to continue staying out of trouble, not getting arrested for DUIs or stop for traffic tickets, anything like that. If an immigrant is eligible for an immigration status, for example, if they are eligible for a green card or to get citizenship, it would be good if they could get that as soon as possible.
According to the American Immigration Council, there are about 4.6% of undocumented workers in Idaho. That's 35,000 people, which is about 9,000 more than the population of Rexburg. And if President-elect Trump plans to deport undocumented immigrants, the state would lose about $400 million in economic activity. Idaho would also lose about $2.6 million in state and local taxes. Jones says it's important for those who may be at risk to be informed.
Pay attention to the news. Pay attention to what's happening so that they can be aware of any changes in the law, so that they can be better prepared for what happens next.
Now, other ways people can try to avoid deportation is applying for asylum. This is only for people whose groups have been targeted in their homeland. And if you're a victim of crime, specifically physical or mental abuse, you can also apply to get a U visa.